Hey there, bird enthusiast! Since today it was good and sunny afternoon, our today's vlog is all about one of our favorite topics. It's bird bathing. Join us as we explore the simple joys and important benefits of this daily ritual for our feather friends. From the adorable splashes to the feather fluffing fan, get ready for a peek into the world of bird hygiene and happiness. Let's go! Bathing plays several important roles in the health and well-being of budgies and other birds. Bathing helps budgies keep their feathers clean and in good condition. It removes dust, dirt, and debris that may accumulate on their feathers, keep them healthy and allowing for better flight and insulation. Bathing helps prevent the buildup of oil, dander, and dead skin cells on the bird's skin and feathers, reducing the risk of skin problems and infections. Bathing can help budgies regulate their body temperature, especially during hot weather. Wet feathers can dissipate heat through evaporation, helping the bird stay cool. Bathing provides budgies with a natural and enjoyable activity that stimulates their senses and promotes physical and mental well-being. It's a form of environmental enrichment that can alleviate boredom and stress. During molting, when budgies shed old feathers and grow new ones, bathing can help soften the keratin sheets covering new feather growth, making it easier for the feathers to emerge. Bathing can be a social activity for budgies when they bath together or with their human caregivers. It strengthens social bonds within a flock or between the birds and its owner. Bathing helps prevent feather problems such as feather plucking or feather mites by maintaining the cleanliness and integrity of the feathers. Overall, regular bathing is an essential part of budgies' care and contributes to their overall health, comfort, and happiness. However, it is important to monitor your budgies' behavior and preferences to determine the best bathing routine for them. Hey everyone! If you're passionate about birds like we are, you're in the right place. Welcome to our channel where we share insights, tips, and heartwarming moments from the world of our avian companions. Hit that subscribe button and join our flock as we explore everything from birds bathing to chirpy adventures. Let's spread our wings together. Thank you so much.